Windows to the soul embark on a visual journey, the human eye, a marvel of nature. It allows us to perceive the world in all its vibrant color and intricate detail. But have you ever stopped to consider how this intricate organ actually works? What goes on behind those colorful irises and long lashes? In this journey of discovery, we will delve deep into the anatomy of the human eye. We will unravel the mysteries of sight, exploring both the external and internal structures that work in perfect harmony to paint the world around us. Get ready to be amazed by the complexity and beauty of this incredible organ. Join us as we embark on this exciting adventure, delving into the fascinating world of the human eye. Prepare to have your vision of the world transformed. The Guardian's external anatomy unveiled. Before we journey inward, let's first familiarize ourselves with the external structures of the eye. These guardians of sight play a crucial role in protecting the delicate machinery within. First, we have the eyelids, those vigilant protectors that shield our eyes from dust, debris, and excessive light. Next, we encounter the eyelashes, delicate yet effective barriers against foreign particles. These fine hairs are strategically positioned to trap dust and debris before they can reach the sensitive surface of the eye. The sclera, the white part of the eye, provides a tough outer layer, maintaining the shape of the eyeball and protecting its internal components. And let's not forget the tear ducts, those tiny openings that release a constant flow of tears. Tears not only lubricate the eye, but also contain enzymes that fight off infection, keeping our windows to the world clean and clear. Delving deeper, a look inside the eye's machinery. Now let's venture beyond the surface and explore the internal anatomy of the eye, where the true magic of sight unfolds. Light enters through the cornea, a transparent dome that acts as the eye's primary lens, bending light rays to focus them on the retina. The pupil, that dark opening in the center of the eye, controls the amount of light entering the eye, dilating in dim light and constricting in bright light. Surrounding the pupil is the colorful iris, which contains muscles that control the size of the pupil. Behind the iris lies the lens, a flexible, transparent structure that fine-tunes the focus of light onto the retina. The lens changes shape, a process called accommodation, allowing us to see objects clearly at varying distances. Finally, we reach the retina, a light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye that acts like the film in a camera. The retina contains millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, which convert light signals into electrical impulses that are transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve, where they are interpreted as images. The art of sight from light to perception. The process of sight is a complex symphony of light and biology. Light enters the eye, passing through the cornea, pupil, and lens, which work together to focus the light onto the retina. The retina, home to those remarkable photoreceptor cells, rods and cones, springs into action. Rods, sensitive to low light levels, allow us to see in dim conditions but do not perceive color. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for our ability to see color and detail in bright light. When light strikes these photoreceptors, they generate electrical signals that travel through a network of nerve cells in the retina. These signals are then transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain, the ultimate interpreter, receives these signals and processes them, transforming them into the images we perceive. This remarkable collaboration between the eye and the brain allows us to experience the world in all its visual splendor. Now let's take a break from the science and have some fun with some eye-popping trivia. Did you know that your eyes can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors? That's right. You're a walking, talking color spectrum analyzer. And here's another fun fact. Your eyes are constantly in motion, making tiny movements called saccades several times per second. These movements ensure that the image you see remains clear and stable. Ever wondered why we have a blind spot? It's because there are no photoreceptor cells where the optic nerve exits the eye. Don't worry though, our brains are masters at filling in the missing information, so we don't even notice it. Section 6. A clearer vision, summarizing our journey. We've embarked on an incredible journey through the anatomy of the human eye, exploring the intricate structures and mechanisms that allow us to perceive the world around us. We've delved into the external features that protect the eye, the internal components that focus and process light, and the remarkable journey from light to perception. We've learned about the cornea, pupil, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve, and the vital roles they play in the miracle of sight. We've also uncovered some fascinating trivia about our eyes, from their ability to distinguish millions of colors to the existence of a blind spot that our brains cleverly conceal. Through this exploration, we've gained a deeper appreciation for the complexity and elegance of this incredible organ. Let's test our newfound knowledge with an interactive quiz. Section 7. Test your knowledge, the ultimate eye quiz. Ready to test your IQ? Put your knowledge to the test with this fun and interactive quiz. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers and prepare to be amazed as the answers are revealed after a countdown. 1. The blank is the transparent dome at the front of the eye that helps to focus light. 2. The colored part of the eye that controls the size of the pupil is called the blank. 3. The blank is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye that contains rods and cones. 4. The blank nerve carries visual information from the eye to the brain. 5. The blank are photoreceptor cells responsible for color vision. 6. The blank is the white outer layer of the eyeball that provides protection and maintains its shape. 7. The blank are responsible for our vision in dim light. 8. The blank is the clear jelly-like substance that fills the space between the lens and the retina. 9. The process of the lens changing shape to focus on objects at different distances is called the blank. 10. The blank are small openings that release tears to lubricate and protect the eye. Section 8 answers revealed. Prepare to be enlightened. Get ready to unveil the answers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. The answer is cornea 2. The answer is iris 3. The answer is retina 4. The answer is optic 5. The answer is cone 6. The answer is telmatid sclera 7. The answer is trisimams rods 8. The answer is vitreous humor 9. Archon. The answer is always accommodation 10. The answer is tear ducts. How well did you do? Give yourself a pat on the back for every correct answer. Section 9. Keep exploring. The journey continues. This is just the beginning of your exploration into the fascinating world of the human eye. There's so much more to discover, from the intricacies of visual perception to the latest advancements in eye care. Continue to seek out knowledge, ask questions, and marvel at the wonders of the human body. Share your newfound knowledge with others and inspire a sense of wonder about the world around us. Until next time, keep those eyes open and keep exploring. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this learning video. There are more to come.